In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily swipe to go back on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. The way in which we can go back may differ depending on the application you use, and now let me show you a few different ways how we can do that. Let's say we are on settings and now we need to get into, let's say, display and brightness. And now we wanna go back to the settings. We can easily do so in two different ways. The first way is tap right here at kind of link or button which is called settings to go to settings. And also we can easily swipe from the left to the right just like that, and that also moves us back to the settings. I'm gonna show you one more time. Just swipe like that. If we, let's say, open up App Store and then head over to some article or page by tapping on it, we can read this article, and then if we wanna go back we can also do so in two different ways. The first way is tap right here at that button to go back to the main page, and also in the same way we can go back by swiping from left to the right, just like that. If we are, let's say, on a Safari web browser, we are currently on some web page, and let's say I'm gonna follow some link now. Here it is, and now we want to go back. We can easily do so here by tapping at this back key. As you can see, now I'm already at the first page, and also in the same way as on previous examples, we can easily go back by swiping from left to right. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.